Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. It is Friday, and this is take 3. I was almost finished with the video, and I was scrolling through on my Avery account to show you something, and a couple of other people's addresses popped up. Didn't care about you seeing mine, because, you know, y'all get stuff from me, but I didn't want to show anybody else's. So, this is a retake, but with that in mind, the other thing that I was fighting with is up and ready to roll, so we're good there. I wanted to talk today about Avery labels. Now, I have hunted far and wide for sticky notes, for, Post-its. For my Kanban board, I use red for my writing, pink for the creative, and purple for the personal stuff. And I can get labels for everything except red, unless I want 3x3. And I only need 2x2 or 1x2 on my Kanban board. So, with that in mind, I thought, you know what? Avery has 2x2 labels. I'll just go make one. So, that's what I did. And then I got on a roll and I created them for all 3 categories on my Kanban board. Now, if you do not know what a Kanban board is, I will leave a link down below under Heart Breathings. It's Sarah Cannon. She's a young adult fantasy author and my mentor. And I learned about the Kanban board from her, and I tell you, it was a game changer in how much I accomplished in the studio. You all say I'm so busy, and I am. But my Kanban board is how I accomplish everything I need to get done without losing my mind. So, I love my Kanban board, but I needed the Post-its. Now, when you go into Avery.com, you're going to need to create an account enabled to create stuff. Now, that's not unusual. We create accounts left and right to do stuff. And then you can go in and create whatever you want. Now, couple of things to keep in mind. You can either design and print yourself at home, or you can design and send to Avery, and Avery will print them and mail them to you. Here's the thing. If you don't want to print on their sticker paper, like I just wanted on this 28-pound copy paper to make it as Post-its. Avery doesn't make Post-it notes. They are going to send you 8.5 by 11 sheets of how many ever, whatever is on your template design on their sticker paper. And it's not removable sticker paper most of the time. So keep that in mind. So for me, and I do all mine at home, the only thing I've ever had Avery do for me was my business cards. So everything else I print at home, whether I do it on full sticker sheets that I purchase at the store so I can cut them to whatever I need, or I use their template papers, or like today, I print on either cardstock or I print on copy paper, cut them and do them with whatever I want. Now there's a myriad of fonts, of colors, of images to play with, and I'm going to show you a couple of things here as we speak. I have logged into my Avery account, and trust me, that was one of the first issues I was having. And this shows me under my projects everything I've made. Now I'm going to be careful with here's my challenge folders that I use for my Spectrum Art Creations challenges. My stamp box labels. My Sprint stickers. My game board stickers. Things for my 6 months for life. My social media stickers. I've created all of these in Avery, and I can print them from home. So let's go back up here. Let's create a new project. Now, it's been fighting with me this morning, so we'll see what happens. Once you create an account, you can go in and create a new project. Come on. And like I said, it's going to fight with me. So let's go to templates. I don't know if it's my fingers, if it's Avery, if it's my iPad. I don't know what the problem is. There we go. Create a new project. Do something. Templates. Find a template. There we go. There we go. Now you have all these different things that you can play with. You can do CD and DVD labels, rectangles. You can do shipping labels, name tags, cards, whatever you want to do. Let's go with a business card because it's a good size to work with and something I think you can see. I used something else earlier and it didn't show it very well. Come on. Load already. While it's deciding what it wants to do, there we go. Let's use our standard rectangular business cards. And it is template 5371. So if you were going to buy the business card sheets to print on, that's the number you would look for. And start designing. I think Avery decided to wake up. Woohoo! And I wanted to get to this point because I wanted to show you something. And this is where it's really been taking a while to load. Woohoo! Okay, let's start with a business card. Now on the side over here, I'm going to go with a blank one. I tried using one of their other templates earlier and it just totally messed me up. I love some of their designs, but I just go with a blank and do my own thing. Okay, you'll see this red dotted line around here. This is your border of where you need to stay within for things to print properly. And then you have text that you can add. Add a text box just like you would do in any other program. Maybe you use Canva. Come on. It's hating me. I should be able to go in there and type, and it's not letting me, so we'll leave that box there. Edit text. That's why, because it's different than on my computer. Okay. Let's do what I always do. Okay. And then apply text, and there's my text. Now, over here you also have images. You can import data, so I don't believe you can use all the images from Avery in products that you would sell. But you can use these templates and bring in your own images that you are allowed to use and create stuff to sell. So I'm going to go into image, add an image, go to Avery Gallery. See, it says upload. That's where you would bring in your own. It's Christmas. Let's do a Christmas border, shall we? See if we can get that to load. Come on, Avery. Talk to me. Look at all those pretty things. Now, when we did that text box, you could do one of those pretty animals, and you could bring in a text box right smack dab in the middle of one of those animals and create like a monthly baby journal. Okay, so let's add our Christmas tree here. And we can make him whatever we want, however big we want, as long as it's going to fit within the confines of our box. Now I'm going to change this, edit text, creative, Christmas blessings. Now this is also where I design the things that I put with my stuff that goes in the Etsy shop, my thank you cards, all that stuff. Apply text, and see, there we go. Now we have that. And then you could put a personal message down here in this side of the card. You could print your own information. You could do this on the address labels and create your own custom address labels, which is what I've done for everything that I send out. Lots of things you can do in Avery. So I encourage you to go into Avery.com, create an account, and go down the creative rabbit hole. You're going to have so much fun. Now, I can go in, I can save, and it will tell me save the project. And so I'm going to backtrack out of there, see where I'm at. Sample. Save to my account. Okay, once it says it's been saved online, as soon as it's done transferring, then you say got it, and then you can go to print, get PDF to print, or let them print it for you. That's all there is to Avery.com. So go in, have some fun, do some creating. Maybe you want to create corner text for your journals, or you want to create a birthday card, or design your own Christmas cards and you don't have any Christmas stamps. This is the way to do that. In the meantime, I want to remind you to like, share, subscribe, and come back tomorrow because I have yet another Spectrum Art Creations haul. I'll see you tomorrow. Creative blessings. And it doesn't want to shut off. Hold the phone.